Team FoneArena is in Barcelona, here to check out Mobile World Congress, where there's going to be the absolute bleeding edge tech making its way into your hands this year. But did you know that it's the smart engineers at Qualcomm who are responsible for a whole lot of that hardware innovation? We'd like to take a moment to thank our sponsors at Qualcomm for helping us make this coverage happen. And now, on to the video. Keeping up with tradition, Sony unveiled its next-generation flagships at the Mobile World Congress. The Xperia XZ2 and XZ2 Compact are both top-of-the-line phones with flagship-grade specifications. The biggest change, however, is the all-new design language. Long-awaited and much anticipated, Sony has completely revamped the design language. Gone are the large bezels and the boxy build, and instead we have a curvier and more ergonomic-looking phone. The XZ2 is equipped with a 5.7-inch 18:9 display and trimmed down bezels all around. This is a Full HD Plus HDR panel that looks downright stunning. There's Gorilla Glass 5 for protection as well. The fingerprint scanner has now been moved over to the back of the device. Conveniently located towards the center, you'll easily be able to reach out to it. Up above, you'll find the camera, the laser autofocus module, IR sensor for gauging white balance, and an LED flash of course. The 3D glass body of the XZ2 is downright stunning, but unfortunately you'll be left cleaning out fingerprints every time you pick it up. Another feature that has changed is that the Sony Xperia XZ2 is not equipped with a headphone jack. Yes, you'll have to move to the Type-C port and use a dongle or shift over to wireless headphones. Thankfully, Sony's retained its famous camera button on the side. Internally, the phone is powered by a Snapdragon 845 chipset paired with 4GB of RAM. There's 64GB of storage on board that can be further expanded via a microSD card. The phone has a 3180 mAh battery built in, and it supports wireless charging, Quick Charge 3.0, as well as Qinovo adaptive charging, which helps to enhance the battery cycles. Talking about the camera, this year Sony is adding 4K HDR video recording capabilities to the camera on the XZ2. The 19-megapixel Motion Eye camera is also capable of recording super slow motion 960 frames per second video at Full HD resolution. The front camera is a 5-megapixel unit. With the XZ2, Sony has finally managed to break out of its mold and create a stunning piece of hardware that keeps up and in some ways exceeds the competition, and we really can't wait to test this out. The global rollout begins later this month, and the phone will be available in liquid black, liquid silver, deep green and ash pink colors.